Hi there, future investors. Welcome to the channel. Every investor aims to get great returns. However, that's not always an easy task. Today, I will share with you my method to double your money in just 3 years, plus some secret hacks, so be sure to watch until the end. First things first, this is a shorter version of a previous video that I think will help you have a more pragmatic view of this approach. Also, this is not financial advice, just for entertainment and education purposes. Always make your own decisions. Okay, let's go. So if you want to know how you're progressing, you need to compare your performance against the market. And your best benchmark to do so is the S&P 500 index, which is a great representation of the US economy through 500 of its best companies. Since its inception in 1926, its average nominal annual returns have been approximately 10 to 11%, including both capital gains and dividends reinvested. But, adjusted for inflation, the real return is around 7 to 8%, so inflation does eat a good part of our profits, doesn't it? What about this century? Has the S&P maintained its overall 11%? Well, since the year 2000 until today, the average annual return of the S&P 500 was 6 to 7% on a nominal basis, so quite below the overall 11% since its inception. But anyway, if we want to beat the market, let's take the overall 11% as a reference. In short, we need to have at least a nominal 12% annual return average. Now, 12% doesn't sound like much, but realistically, as an average, this is quite difficult to reach because the market has ups and downs. And sometimes there are crashes that impact every stock in a given year quite significantly, no matter how good the companies may be. For example, just in the 21st century, we had several black swan events that had a major impacts on the market, and no one was immune to these crashes. I mean, no one. However, crashes may be your best friends. You see, apparently in the stock market, what goes down must come up. The name of this channel is Back to the Future Investing. My mission here is to help you become a future investor, but also to understand the past in order to predict that future. Looking back, in the end, it never mattered how deep the market fell because it always got back up to new all-time highs afterwards. Think about it. If you could travel back in time to invest, you would probably have only bought stocks in black swan events, right? It's a very weird concept, but once you embrace it, you will only be happy when the market is trending down, when your favorite stocks are selling off, when market sentiment is terrible but your company's fundamentals remain strong. As long as you have your income streams stable in order to be able to invest, you wish for fire sales every day. So, what you really want to know now is how can you double your money in just 3 years? Well, the rule of 72 gives us the answer. All you have to do is divide 72 by your annual rate of return. If you look for an 8% annual return, 72 divided by 8 equals 9. It would take you 9 years to double your money. With 12%, it would take you 6 years. With 20%, 3.6 years? And with a 24% annual return, you would double your money in just 3 years. So, we now know the rate we are looking for. 24% is our magical number. This is more than double the S&P 500's average annual return rate. No easy task, but is it possible? Yes, we can make it possible. We just need a secret formula, a simple plan, and the right method. And I will now share all of this with you. Let's get into it. First, start tracking your monthly income and expenses. You need to bring more money home than what you spend. If you don't save money on a monthly basis, you cannot invest. Then you need to create a budget and follow it religiously. Make an Excel file to monitor everything and update it on Sunday evenings instead of watching TV. Secondly, you must use this rule to allocate your savings. 25% in an emergency fund, 50% in your investment portfolio, and another 25% in an opportunity fund. This will be your baseline for the next 3 years. For the 25% emergency fund, you have to divide it between risk-free saving accounts and a retirement plan with tax benefits. For your investment portfolio, you need to apply 50% of your savings in excellent stocks from great companies. You can also include some crypto here if you understand what you're doing. Finally, and this is vital for the strategy to be successful, you need to allocate another 25% of your savings in an opportunity fund. This is cash available to deploy in unexpected opportunities at any given moment, namely in black swan events and other micro crashes. Let me tell you the secret of secrets. The opportunity fund is what will make you wealthy and double your money in every 3 years. You see, opportunities like that will give you your biggest returns and help you to reach higher profits faster. Okay then, next, learn how to pick stocks and create a strong watch list for your favorite ones once you decide you want it in the portfolio. Don't choose dividend stocks or very slow-growing companies, as they will not be able to deliver you 24% returns in just 3 years. For this strategy, you have to pick growth stocks, value plays, and turnaround plays. You may have to take on some risks, but that's the only way to have these types of returns. Otherwise, you should just use a long-term buy and hold strategy. Now let's get back to the future and simulate a scenario. Imagine that you have started investing in July 2022. You invested $10,000 on the 1st of July, and you created a small and concentrated 6 stocks portfolio. Your picks were Meta, MicroStrategy, Texas Roadhouse, Hims & Hers, Elf Beauty, and Nvidia. So a well-diversified portfolio in growth stocks in different industries. Let's see how they've performed since mid-2022 until today. The results would have been just, well, incredible to say the least. Why and how was this even possible? Well, because in 2022, due to several macroeconomic factors, stocks plunged mainly from half of the year onwards. And this turned out to be a great buying opportunity to acquire wonderful companies at very silly prices. As Warren Buffett taught us, be fearful when others are greedy. Be greedy when others are fearful. For you to get a 24% annual rate and double your money in 3 years, you need these moments. And in this example, you wouldn't even need 3 years. 1 year would have been more than enough to double or even triple your money. Think about that. Wouldn't this be a life-changing event? So there you have it. I hope you appreciated this video. I prepared this shorter version of the full video so that you can have a more pragmatic approach and start your journey as soon as you can. I hope you can use some of these practices to pursue your dreams and hopefully double your money in 3 years or maybe less. If you liked this content and effort, please just smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. It's just getting started and you may be one of the first 10, 20 subscribers. So, I'll see you back in a great future.